Hey everyone, it's Rachel here, MojiLife Mum, and I just wanted to give you a quick demonstration on how to use the AirMoji and to tell you why I think it's so good. This is the AirMoji unit. It comes in white and it comes in black. Now, these are our fragrances here. We've got about 40 different fragrances at the moment, and these are our essential oil pods, and we've got about 12 different pods at the moment. All you need to do is peel off the foil off the top and off the bottom, and you're left with something like this. This is a wood fibre core which is drenched with our fragrances and essential oils. All you need to do with that is you just pull off the lid, pop it inside, lid goes back on. Now when you press it once, the AirMoji works continuously, so you're going to get continuous fragrance. Now if you want to extend the life of your fragrances, there's a couple of options. First one is to press the power button. Can you see that power button? Press that power button a second time, it'll flash. Now what it's doing here is it is running continuously for 1 hour and then turning off for an hour, then back on for an hour, off for an hour. The third option is you can use an app on your phone which works with Bluetooth, and you activate that by pressing the button a third time. So now Bluetooth is activated. You can program your AirMoji to turn on and off when you want it to, and as well as setting it to run for 10, 20, 30 or 60 minutes and then off for 60 minutes. So you're extending the life of your fragrance pods, which is awesome. Okay, so if you've got any other questions, just leave me a comment or get in touch with me. I hope that this has given you a better understanding of what the AirMoji does, why it's so good, and thank you very much, and I'll talk to you later.